Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about how to organize a due diligence data room. In the world of business, due diligence is a critical process that can make or break a deal. Understanding the purpose of a due diligence data room. Before diving into the details of organizing a data room, it is essential to understand its primary purpose. A due diligence data room is a secure and organized repository of documents and information that potential buyers, investors, or auditors review to evaluate a company's financial, legal, operational, and strategic aspects. The goal is to provide a transparent and comprehensive view of the organization to facilitate the decision-making process. 2. Choose the right data room platform. The first step is to organizing a due diligence data room is selecting the appropriate platform or software. There are many virtual data room providers available that offer secure and user-friendly solutions for storage and sharing. Ensure that the platform you choose aligns with your specific needs and security requirements. Identify key stakeholders. Determine who the key stakeholders in the diligence process will be. This can include potential buyers, investors, legal teams, auditors, and internal teams. Understanding who will be accessing the data room will help tailor the organization and access controls accordingly. Define the scope and objectives. Clearly define the scope and objectives of the due diligence process. What aspects of your business will be under scrutiny and what are the specific goals. Having a well-defined scope will guide what documents and information should be included in the data room. 5. Categorize and prioritize documents. Start by categorizing the documents you will include in the data room. Common categories may include the financial statements, legal documents, contracts, intellectual property, HR records, and operational data. Once categorized, prioritize the documents based on their importance and relevance to the due diligence process. Conclusion. Organizing a due diligence data room is a strategic process that can significantly impact the outcome of a transaction or audit. A well-organized and secure data room not only expedites the due diligence process but also builds trust and confidence among stakeholders. By following these practices, you can ensure that your data room is a valuable asset in the successful execution of due diligence and ultimately achieving your business objectives. That's all for today. Hope you've understood the topic. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.